Welcome to the friend of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to animate ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Now just here you'll see the ringtone identification volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by using the volume button here. Press one from these volume buttons and then click here on the settings icon, and just by the same way just by swipe this blue dot to the left side, so right side with your finger, and then just click here to done. You can also unmute your device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.